Monitoring degradation of agricultural areas for Delta region in Egypt using remote sensing and GIS techniques. Abstract changes that have occurred in both urban and vegetation areas were monitored in study area, about 20,000 square kilometers, in the Delta region of Egypt throughout the years 2003, 2009, and 2014. 4 Landsat images were adopted for every year in this study. Landsat 8, 2014, IDM, 2009, and Trademark 5, 2003, were pre-processed. Different approaches, Delta Q objective, different classifications, change detection, were investigated and tested to follow these changes. The change in vegetation and urban areas was calculated at the level of the entire study area and then at the provincial level. The results showed that there was an increase in urban areas in conjunction with decrease in the agricultural areas. Urban areas increased from 2003 to 2009 by 124.8 thousand fedans and from 2009 to 2014 by 61.6 thousand fedans, hence the areas of urban blocks increased by 186.34 thousand fedans in 11 years. On the other hand, agricultural areas decreased from 2003 to 2009 by 95.73 thousand fedans and continued to decrease from 2009 to 2014 by 90.63 thousand fedans, reaching a total decreased values of 186.35 thousand fedans over a period of 11 years. Accuracy assessments were done for the 3 years based on ground truth points deduced from Google Earth. Overall accuracy for 2003 classification was 93% with kappa equals 80.9%, for 2009 classification was 95% with kappa equals 88.7%, and for 2014 classification was 92% with kappa equals 82.7%. Finally, it can be concluded that there was a real degradation and decline in agricultural areas in Delta, thus representing a real danger to food security and Egyptian agricultural wealth. Keywords: Landsat, vegetation, urban, classification, Delta region. 1. Introduction. In Egypt, agriculture is the core and main goal for any development strategies and sustainable development planning. Urbanization is an inevitable process due to progress and development. However, the encroachments of urban settlements on expense of agricultural lands may pose dire consequences. Therefore, changes of the land covers and the environmental impact of these changes should be carefully considered. For this purpose, land cover change information derived from the dynamics and multi-temporal remote sensing data could be the most suitable way to assess and analyze these changes. Shalaby, A. R. Ali 2010. Remote sensing RS provides an efficient tool to monitor land cover and environmental changes. Long-term monitoring of environment changes is usually accomplished by spatially comparing multi-temporal satellite images, a technique known as change detection. A number of change detection techniques have been developed in recent years as transparency compositing, Delta Q, unsupervised classification comparison, band rationing change. Also, prior to multi-temporal image change detection, images should be radiometrically corrected to account for atmospheric, sensor, and sun angle anomalies. Landsat satellites, Series 1 to 7, have been providing repetitive, synoptic, global coverage of multispectral imagery, Burrow and McDonnell, 1998. Landsat data have potential applications for monitoring the conditions of the Earth's land surface and the environment components. Satellite can repeatedly observe the wide area at once and continuously acquire the information about the ground features and environmental changes. Satellite sensors can detect the electromagnetic radiation energy reflected from the Earth over a wide range of spectrum with a visible and infrared wavelength, and record it in digital image. The objectives of this work are monitoring degradation of agricultural areas for Delta region, about 20,000 square kilometers, using medium-resolution satellite images and GIS techniques. 2. Study area. The study site of this research is Delta region. The extent of the study area is located between latitude 29° 46.618 N to 31° 3657.392 N and longitude 29° 23.827 E to 32° 1857.563 E, Figure 1. Figure 1, Study Area. 3 Data. 4 images that cover the study area with path/rows, 176/38, 176/39, 177/38, and 177/39 were used in each date, Landsat_5 in 2003, Landsat 7 in 2009, and Landsat_8 in 2014. 4. Methodology. Point 1 Images Processing, 4. http://earthexplorer.usgs.gov /www Landsat images were download from. Layers stack for all spectral bands for each image and each date were performed. The Landsat images were corrected radiomatically because they were obtained at different seasons under different atmospheric conditions. Mosaic was conducted for the 4 Landsat images, which comprises the study area. All images with different dates have been corrected geometrically to unify the datum to WGS84, projection to UTM36, ellipsoid to WGS84. The geometric _RMSE ranges between 4.059.957 for all images. Figure 2, Images Pre-Processing Steps. A specific study area of the delta was subset which represent about 19,611 square kilometers, and consider the main part of the delta. Reflectance layers for all spectral bands were conducted using equations to convert the raw data into top of atmospheric reflectance to discriminate easily between vegetation and urban areas. Resolution merge has been carried out for images 2009, 2014. Figure 3. Image before, L, and after reflectance, R. Different change detection methods were tested on the images to monitor the degradation of agricultural areas for delta study area. ISO cluster unsupervised classification under ArcGIS environment was chosen to use in this study, which consider as the most effective and accurate method for such enormous study area. All governorates contained by the study area were classified. The change in vegetation and urban areas was calculated at the level of the entire study area and at the provincial level. Figure 4, Classification of NYAFIA governorate. Error matrix was performed for each year, from which overall accuracy assessment and kappa were calculated. Results and discussion. Table 1, Cultivated and urban areas of the study area for the 3 years. Date. The table and the figure illustrate show agricultural land areas at the provincial level. Table 4 shows the agricultural land at the provincial level for the study area for the years 2014, 2009, 2003. The annual rate of change, FEDN/year, for agricultural and urban areas of the provinces within the study area are described below, Figure 8. Figure 9 shows an increase in residential blocks constructed on cultivated areas being considered as a great degradation of vegetation areas in the upper part of the Delta region from year 2003 to year 2014. Classification assessment. A layer of 100 random points was constructed as shape layer and converted to KML format and open on Google Earth for the 3 dates, Figure 10, 11, to get features ground truth which are corresponding to the random points, then stored under ArcGIS environment and compared with the predicted values of classification. The feature class may be water or vegetation or urban. Error matrix was constructed and from which overall accuracy assessment and kappa were deduced. The resulted overall accuracy for 2003 classification is 93% with kappa equals 80.9%. Overall accuracy for 2009 classification is 95% with kappa equals 88.7%, and overall accuracy for 2014 classification is 92% with kappa equals 82.7%. Conclusion. In this work, urban and vegetation areas were monitored for study area in Delta region, about 20,000 square kilometers, for years, 2003, 2009, and 2014, to follow the changes that have occurred. Unsupervised classification technique proved to be the most effective and accurate method for such enormous region. The change in vegetation and urban areas was calculated at the level of the entire study area and then at the provincial level. The results showed that there was an increase in urban areas in conjunction with decrease in the agricultural areas. Urban areas in Delta region were increased from 2003 to 2009 by 124.8 thousand fedans and were increased from 2009 to 2014 by 61.6 thousand fedans, and hence the areas of urban blocks were increased by 186.34 thousand fedans for 11 years, and on the other hand, agricultural areas have decreased from 2003 to 2009 by 95.73 thousand fedans and continued decreased from 2009 to 2014 by 90.63 thousand fedans, with total decreased values of 186.35 thousand fedans over 11 years. It can be concluded that there is a real degradation and decline in agricultural areas in Delta, which represents a real danger to food security and Egyptian agricultural wealth.